Hello, boys and girls, or whatever. My name is Captain Jack Sparrow. I take it some of you have heard of me. You may have also heard whisperings and rumors that Jack Sparrow be recruiting a crew to undertake a voyage to the Fountain of Youth. There'd be varied and substantial dangers along the way, including but not limited to zombies, cutthroats,
It has begun!
mermaids. You wouldn't be interested in joining me, would you? Hey?
No, we got some new characters we're introducing to you this time. And we have some old ones coming back to you.
You are Jack Sparrow.
There should be a captain in there somewhere.
Barbossa is no longer a pirate. He has changed sides and now is working for the crown.
Are we not king's men? Mutineers, hang!
Blackbeard is one of the most evil characters we have ever given you.
If I don't kill a man every now and then, they forget who I am.
Steady as she goes.
And he has a wonderful daughter who tries to redeem him.
No! Father, I beg you.
And Captain Jack, of course, caught in the middle.
Angelica had a relationship with Jack Sparrow, and Jack corrupted her.
How is it we can never meet without you pointing something at me?
It's an adventure through jungles and caves and waterfalls.
You know that feeling you get sometimes in a high place? Sudden urge to jump? I don't have it.
You can sleep when you're dead. Push on!
Is that it? I think so.
Fight to the bitter end!
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.